Ever had that feeling where you just can't find the motivation to hit the gym or go for that run? We've all been there, trust me. It's like a nagging voice in your head that keeps saying, not today, maybe tomorrow. And before you know it, days turn into weeks, and weeks into months, and you're still stuck in the same place. This struggle, my friends, is as real as it gets. It's not just you, it's a universal experience. We all face this challenge, from fitness beginners to seasoned athletes. It's not a personal failure, rather it's a part of the journey towards a healthier, fitter you. The key is to recognize this struggle, accept it, and then find ways to overcome it. And that's exactly what we're going to do, but don't worry, today we're going to share some practical and actionable tips to help you stay motivated. Scene script. First things first, set realistic and achievable goals. You see, the journey to fitness is not a sprint, it's more of a marathon. It's about the long haul. So setting goals that are too high or too ambitious can often lead to demotivation. Because let's face it, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your ideal body. The trick is to set smaller, achievable goals that lead up to your main goal. These little wins will keep you motivated and make the journey enjoyable. It's the concept of taking baby steps before you start running. So let's say your ultimate fitness goal is to run a marathon. Instead of aiming to run that marathon in the first month, break it down. Start with aiming to run a mile without stopping. Once you've achieved that, aim for 2 miles, then 3, and so on. Before you know it, you'll be running that marathon, and the victory will be all the sweeter because you've worked your way up to it step by step. Remember, fitness is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Each small goal you achieve is a milestone on that journey. It's a sign that you're making progress, and progress is motivating. But setting realistic goals isn't just about motivation, it's about keeping yourself healthy and safe. Overexerting yourself by aiming for unrealistic goals can lead to injuries and health issues. It's vital to listen to your body and give it the time it needs to adapt to new fitness levels. Realistic goals are also individual specific. What is realistic for one person might not be for another, so don't compare your goals or your progress with others. This is your journey, and it's unique to you. Finally, be patient with yourself. Fitness is a lifelong commitment. It's not about quick fixes or instant results, it's about slow, steady, and sustainable progress. Remember, the key is to aim for progress, not perfection. Next up, it's time to create a routine. Now you might be wondering, why a routine? Well, having a routine has numerous benefits to keep you motivated in your fitness journey. Firstly, routines help in creating habits. When we do something consistently, it becomes second nature to us. It's like brushing your teeth in the morning. You don't even think about it, you just do it. That's what we want your workouts to become, a part of your daily routine where it feels odd if you don't do it. Secondly, routines help reduce decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is a real thing, folks. The more decisions you have to make in a day, the more drained you become. But with a routine, the decision is already made. You know you're going to work out, and you know exactly what you're going to do. There's no internal debate, no time wasted. Now, when creating a routine, it's important to consider your lifestyle. Do you have more energy in the morning or in the evening? Do you prefer longer workouts a few times a week or shorter workouts daily? Tailor your routine to fit your preferences, and remember, the best routine is the one that you can stick to. A routine takes the guesswork out of working out and can make it a natural part of your day. With your routine in place, you're one step closer to making fitness a lifelong habit. Having trouble staying accountable? Find a workout buddy. When it comes to staying motivated, there's nothing quite like having a partner in crime, or in this case, a partner in grime. That's right, finding a workout buddy can be the missing piece of your fitness puzzle. This isn't just about having someone to spot you at the gym or pace you on your runs, it's about creating a support system, a mutual commitment to health and fitness. Imagine this, it's 6 in the morning, you're in bed, and the thought of hitting the gym feels as appealing as a root canal. But then, your phone buzzes. It's your workout buddy, ready and raring to go. Suddenly, pulling the covers over your head isn't an option, not when someone else is counting on you. Working out with a buddy isn't just about accountability though, it's also about enjoyment. Having someone to share in your triumphs and struggles can make even the toughest workouts feel more bearable. And let's face it, a little friendly competition never hurt anyone. Competing with a friend can push you to lift a little heavier, run a little faster, and work a little harder. So if you're struggling to stay motivated, consider teaming up. Find a friend, a colleague, a family member who shares your fitness goals. You'll not only be more likely to stick to your routine, but you'll also have more fun in the process. Now, who doesn't love rewards? There's a certain joy that comes from treating yourself after successfully completing a task. And guess what? Working out is no different. Just imagine, you've just finished a grueling workout, your muscles are aching, you're out of breath, and you're drenched in sweat. But you've done it. You've pushed through, you've conquered your workout for the day. Now, wouldn't it be wonderful to reward yourself for that? Maybe with a delicious and healthy smoothie or perhaps a relaxing bath. Rewards, no matter how small, can provide that extra motivation you need to maintain a consistent workout routine. They serve as a reminder of the progress you're making, a testament to your hard work and dedication. And let's be honest, who wouldn't mind a little pampering after a tough workout? But remember, a reward doesn't always have to be a tangible thing. It can be as simple as taking a moment to acknowledge your accomplishment. Give yourself a pat on the back, say a few words of encouragement to yourself, or even do a little victory dance. These acts of self-recognition can go a long way in keeping you motivated. And then there are those days when you need something more substantial. On these days, consider rewarding yourself with something that not only delights you, but also supports your fitness goals. A new pair of running shoes, perhaps? Or maybe a massage to soothe those aching muscles. However, it's crucial to ensure that your rewards don't sabotage your fitness goals. If your reward is food-based, make sure it's healthy and nourishing. If it's a rest day, ensure you're not lounging around all day but engaging in some form of light physical activity. The beauty of rewards lies in their flexibility. They can be tailored to suit your preferences and lifestyle, and they can change as your fitness journey evolves. So don't forget to treat yourself after a good workout session, because you've earned it and you deserve it. Scene script: feeling bored with your workout? Mix it up. You know how they say variety is the spice of life? Well, the same goes for your workout routine. Sticking to the same exercise day in and day out can quickly lead to boredom, and boredom is the arch nemesis of motivation. But don't worry, we're here to help you keep things fresh and exciting. One of the best ways to add variety to your workout routine is to switch up the types of exercises you're doing. If you've been focusing on strength training, why not try incorporating some cardio? Or if you've been running every day, consider adding in some yoga or Pilates to stretch and strengthen your muscles in a new way. You could also mix up your workout routine by changing the intensity or duration of your exercises. For example, instead of doing a steady-state cardio workout, you could try high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This type of workout involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. It's a great way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular fitness in less time. Another way to add variety is to try new fitness classes or activities. Ever tried kickboxing? Or what about rock climbing? These activities can be fun and challenging, and they'll work your muscles in different ways. Plus, trying new things can help you discover new passions and hobbies. Remember, the key is to make your workout routine enjoyable and exciting. You don't have to do the same thing every day. In fact, it's better if you don't. By mixing it up, you'll keep your body guessing and your mind engaged, which will help you stay motivated and committed to your fitness journey. So the next time you're feeling bored with your workout, remember to mix it up. Try something new, challenge yourself, and most importantly, have fun. After all, fitness should be enjoyable, not a chore. Remember, variety is the spice of life and of your workout routine. So, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We began by acknowledging that the struggle to stay motivated is very real. However, we also discussed how setting realistic goals can help keep us on track. It's about progress, not perfection, right? Next, we delved into the importance of creating a routine. A consistent workout schedule can be a game changer for maintaining motivation. Finding a workout buddy also emerged as a great strategy. Not only does it make your workouts more enjoyable, but it also instills a sense of accountability. We also highlighted the significance of rewarding oneself. Celebrating small victories can provide that much-needed boost to your motivation. Lastly, we touched on the concept of mixing up your workout. Variety, as they say, is the spice of life. It can keep the monotony at bay and make your workouts more exciting. Remember, staying motivated to work out is a journey, not a destination. Keep these tips in mind and you'll find your motivation in no time.